York City, across the country, and around the world. We are so proud to be part of Forest for All NYC, along with about 160 other public and private organizations. This is an incredible team effort, and today is a wonderful milestone representing the effort of that entire coalition. I also specifically want to express appreciation to council members Christian and Brewer for being wonderful champions of trees in our wonderful city. And I just, again, want to thank you all for being here today. The Nature Conservancy, we're a science-based organization. So we've done a lot of the work to look at what is the current tree canopy cover and where do the trees need to go to address those equity issues that we've been talking about. And we've been collecting the tree data for the last several years, and that data is going to be able to go into this urban forest planning process to help decision makers make the best possible decisions. And that includes critical community support. I sit here, so I'm a forester, that's my background. You guys are amazing, trees are amazing. I mean, like, what else in the world takes carbon pollution, CO2, combines that with water, and releases clean oxygen for us to breathe and food for the trees to grow? So they are the superheroes, the unsung heroes of tackling climate change. And the opportunity to have more trees in New York City is fantastic. So the planning process, this is what we're celebrating today. What an opportunity for planners, city government, communities, nonprofits, organizations all come together to create a wonderful process that will be implemented in the long term with community support. I also specifically want to thank all of our friends at the Mayor's Office of Climate and Environmental Justice for your hard work and leadership. So thank you all for being here today. It's a big day to celebrate.
Thank you so much, Bill. Up next is Shannon Jordy, Deputy Director of Communications and External Affairs at Natural Areas Conservancy.
Hi, everyone. Again, I'm Shannon Jordy from the Natural Areas Conservancy. We're the only nonprofit in New York focused exclusively on the 20,000 acres of forest, wetlands, and grasslands. We work closely with the Parks Department and many of the amazing organizations here today to care for, study, and advocate for these spaces. We know from our work that natural areas in New York City provide tremendous environmental and health benefits for New Yorkers, from carbon and stormwater capture to cooling our communities. Our forests and wetlands protect residents from some of the worst effects of climate change. But these benefits are not equitably distributed across the 5 boroughs. Some of our most heat vulnerable and flood prone neighborhoods are, unsurprisingly, also the ones with the least amount of green space. And it doesn't have to be that way. That's why we're working closely with the City Parks Foundation, Forest for All NYC, MOCEJ, and all of our partners to increase tree canopy across the city, particularly in the hottest areas. We're also advocating for the proper care of our existing natural areas in parks like Van Cortlandt, Seton Falls, Pelham Bay, and places across the city to ensure that further tree canopy is not lost. While new tree plantings are a key strategy for increasing our urban canopy, we must also invest in the care and stewardship of our existing forest and mature trees to meet our canopy goals. Our urban forests represent approximately 5 million of our city's 7 million trees. They are a crucial component in meeting our canopy targets, and we will continue to advocate for their care. We've seen over the last month or so the damage that can come from climate change and an underfunded park system. Fires have raged across the city from the Bronx to Staten Island, putting the goals of the urban forest plan at risk. But by working together with city agencies, nonprofit organizations, landowners, and community groups, we can help ensure that our existing green spaces are cared for and protected, and that these areas are expanded so that their benefits and beauty reach all New Yorkers. We hope in the coming year that everyone will join us in this goal through stewardship, through advocacy, and through support of the Urban Forest Plan. Thank you so much.
Thank you